What's going on, traders? Just want to do one more quick little concept check. Uh, you're gonna hear me say a lot in the Hotlist channel, an entry or a signal candle, and then confirmation. As a conservative trader, you're gonna want to wait for that confirmation. We always wait. We see the signal, and we get excited, but sometimes it doesn't always confirm. It can come back right down if we're bullish on price action the very next day. So as a conservative trader and a proper risk managing trader, you always want to wait for confirmation. And what I'm going to show you is this is the S&P futures contract, the ES mini, and I'm going to show you some examples here. So we got a nice uptrend, prices moving up, higher highs, higher lows. But how do we know when to get into the trade, right? So we can take a look. Let's see here. We could take a look. We got a few concepts here. So here's a signal candle. It's kind of a little smaller body candle. It's happening at a previous resistance level. So it would be a previous pivot zone. So here's our signal. And the very next day would be our confirmation. And you can see there was a nice little pop there. Same thing here. It actually tested twice. So we had it go up, came back down. We got our, this is called a piercing bottom, very bullish candlestick, no wicks, very little wicks. And then the next day we had confirmation. And then you can see it continued up from there. Also happened at a previous resistance level, tested this as new support, and then continued up. So anytime you hear me say signal, or you see me describe a signal on the hot list, you'll look for something like this, or a hammer, or this is a hammer here, or a large engulfing candlestick like here, and then you'll wait for confirmation. On this day, you'll probably wait till the very last moments of the trading day to make sure this candle is closing bullish, and then place your trades. That way you get caught in the upswing thereafter.